Welcome back to our channel. It's the ideal time to give your house a makeover because spring is almost here. We're presenting chic and useful design ideas today to update your interior for the new season. Now let's get started. Fresh flowers. Use fresh flowers as a focal point or to fill vases to add them to your design. Lighter fabrics. To create an airy vibe, replace heavy blankets and curtains with lighter materials like cotton or linen. Pastel palette. To suggest the freshness of spring, embrace gentle pastel tones like blush pink, baby blue, or mint green. Indoor plants. To clean the air and add a splash of greenery, bring the outdoors in with succulents or potted plants. Scatter pillows. Give your sofa or chairs a springtime makeover with vibrant scatter pillows in patterns like stripes or geometric shapes. Fresh linens. For a fresh and welcoming look, replace bedding and towels with lighter, more breathable materials in soft pastels or crisp white. Seasonal tablescapes. For entertaining guests, create warm table settings with floral arrangements, table runners that match the season, and fine china. DIY floral arrangements. Use seasonal flowers from your neighborhood market or garden to create your own imaginative floral arrangements. Outdoor entertaining. To enjoy the nicer weather with family and friends, set up an outdoor dining area with string lights, comfortable seating, and potted plants. Declutter and organize. Spring cleaning is more than just organizing your surroundings. It may also assist foster a peaceful, serene atmosphere. Fruit-inspired decor. To add a whimsical touch to your home, use fruit-themed decor like bowls of oranges or lemons or ornamental fruit prints. DIY terrariums. Using moss, succulents, and tiny decorative stones, you can make your own little indoor garden. Fresh herb garden. For aesthetic and practical reasons, grow an indoor herb garden in your kitchen or on your windowsill. Whitewashed furniture. To lighten the space, paint or whitewash your furniture in light, neutral colors to give it a new look. Seasonal vignettes. For visual interest, arrange a variety of ornamental items, framed pictures, and little potted plants on shelves or mantels to create seasonal vignettes. Indoor water features. To infuse your room with a sense of peace and relaxation, incorporate indoor water features such as wall-mounted waterfalls or tabletop fountains. Macrame wall hangings. Add a bohemian touch to your walls with handcrafted wall hangings made of natural fibers and elaborate designs. Spring-themed doormats. Give your foyer a personal touch by greeting guests with doormats with floral patterns or upbeat sayings. Seasonal garlands. To decorate mantels, stairwells, or doors. String garlands composed of real or artificial flowers, foliage, or vibrant fabric. Window boxes. To improve curb appeal and bring a bit of nature inside, install window boxes outside your windows and fill them with trailing vines or blossoming flowers. Reclaimed wood accents. To give your room warmth and character, use reclaimed wood accents like picture frames, shelving, or accent walls. And there you have it. Easy yet impactful springtime home decor ideas. Which concept are you most eager to test out? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. For more seasonal decorating advice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate your time, and we hope to see you again soon.